Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mango pickle. First, choose about 2 pounds of firm, unripe green mangoes. Wash them thoroughly and ensure they are completely dry to prevent spoilage. Next, carefully cut the mangoes into 1-inch pieces, making sure to discard the pit. This initial preparation is crucial for a delicious and long-lasting pickle. We're setting the foundation for a flavorful condiment that you'll enjoy for months. Now, let's create our aromatic spice blend. Grind 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Combine these freshly ground spices with half a cup of red chili powder. Then, add 1/4 cup of turmeric powder and half a cup of salt. Mix everything together thoroughly. This vibrant spice mixture is the heart of your mango pickle, infusing it with incredible flavor and a beautiful color. Ensure all ingredients are well incorporated. Next, we'll prepare the oil. Heat 1½ cups of mustard oil until it begins to smoke, then let it cool completely. Once cooled, mix this oil with your mango pieces and the prepared spice blend. Ensure every mango piece is well coated. Transfer the entire mixture into a clean, dry glass jar. This oil acts as a preservative, and the jar provides the perfect environment for the pickle to cure and develop its rich flavors over time. Finally, seal your jar tightly and place it in a sunny spot for 7 to 10 days. Remember to shake the jar daily to ensure the mangoes cure evenly and absorb all those wonderful flavors. After this period, your delicious homemade mango pickle will be ready to enjoy. It pairs wonderfully with meals. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy pickling!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.